Ever wondered why creating a durable website seems like a challenge that even Hercules would shy away from? It's a question many aspiring web creators grapple with. The process of building a website can seem as complex and intimidating as ancient Greek mythology. Much like Hercules faced 12 overwhelmingly challenging tasks, the endeavor of creating a website might seem like an impossible feat. But why is this the case? The thought of building a website can be daunting because of the numerous elements involved. You need to consider aspects like design, functionality, user experience, and not forgetting back-end coding. Each of these elements is akin to a mythical beast that Hercules battled, formidable and intimidating. But just as Hercules overcome his challenges, so can you overcome the obstacles in website creation. You need not be a coding expert or a web design guru. In fact, with the advent of modern tools and platforms, anyone can take on the task of building a website. The landscape of web development has transformed drastically, much like how Hercules changed the rivers in his time to achieve his goals. Just as Hercules had his club and lion skin, as a modern-day web creator, your weapons are the various website building tools and platforms available. Deploy these tools effectively, and you can build a website that is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and user-friendly. Yet the question remains, how can you create a website that is as durable and resilient as the legendary hero himself? The answer lies in leveraging the right tools, and perhaps in adopting the spirit of Hercules, a spirit of determination, creativity, and resilience. Well, worry no more. Today, we unravel the secrets behind this enigma and walk you through the process of creating a robust and durable website using 10Web. First, what is 10Web? Well, it's a fascinating concept. Picture this. You have a brilliant idea for a website, perhaps a blog, or an online shop, or even a personal portfolio. You're rearing to go, you're excited, and you're ready to share your vision with the world. But there's a hitch. You're not quite sure where to begin, or perhaps you simply don't have the time to handle the technical aspects of website creation. You're busy, you have other commitments, but you're still passionate about bringing your concept to life. This is where 10Web steps in. As a platform, 10Web offers a comprehensive suite of services, which are essential for website creation and management. You could think of it as your one-stop shop for all things web-related. This platform allows you to focus on the more creative aspects of your project, while it tends to the technical side of things. Imagine having resources at your disposal such as website builders, hosting services, security measures, SEO tools, and so much more, all within the same platform. And not just that, these services are all designed to be user-friendly, easy to understand and apply, irrespective of your technical know-how or lack thereof. The beauty of 10Web is that it removes the need for multiple subscriptions to different services. You have everything you need in one place. It's all about convenience, ease of use, and efficiency. Whether you're building a simple blog or a complex e-commerce site, 10Web has got your back, providing you with all the tools you need to succeed. It's like having a personal assistant, but for your website. So, how does one go about creating a website with 10Web? Well, sit back, relax, and let me take you on a step-by-step tour of this process. We'll be looking at the intricacies involved in each step, beginning with account creation. The first step is to sign up for an account on 10Web. This is surprisingly simple and intuitive. All you need to do is enter your email address and set up a password. Think of this as your digital key, granting you access to a world of website building potential. After you've signed up, the second step is to choose a template. 10Web boasts an extensive collection of professionally designed templates, each one uniquely structured and styled. They cater to various sectors, tastes, and requirements, giving you an abundance of choices. Select the one that resonates with your vision and aligns with your brand identity. This is the foundation of your website. Once your template is in place, step 3 involves customization. This is the stage where you become the architect of your own web presence. Feel free to add new pages, alter colors, modify layouts, and integrate elements that reflect your personal or business aesthetic. Remember, your website is a direct representation of you or your business, so make it truly yours. Step 4 requires you to set up your domain. This is your unique address on the vast internet landscape. It's crucial because it's how people will locate you online. So, choose a domain that's relevant, memorable, and aligns with what you represent. Next, in step 5, optimize your site for SEO. Search engine optimization is a powerful tool that can enhance your website's visibility. To help you with this, 10Web provides a specialized SEO service. This aids you in optimizing your website, thereby improving your ranking on search engines. With step 6, you add functionality to your website using plugins. These are software components that add specific features to an existing computer program. Do you need a contact form, a photo gallery, maybe a blog section? 10Web's extensive plugin library has got you covered. When you're satisfied with your creation, it's time for step 7, publish your website. This is the moment when you unveil your digital masterpiece to the world. Launch your website with pride and watch as the world interacts with your creation. The final step, step 8, involves website maintenance and updates. This might sound tedious, but with 10Web's website management tools, it's a breeze. Regularly updating and maintaining your website ensures it remains relevant, functional, and secure. Step 8, maintain and update your website. With 10Web's website management tools, this is a breeze. So, to recap, constructing a robust website using 10Web involves a few straightforward steps. First, you register for an account. Then, explore the range of templates available and choose one that fits your vision. After that, it's time to customize your site, tailoring it to your unique needs and preferences. Don't forget to set up your domain, your site's address on the World Wide Web. Next, optimize your website for search engine visibility. Infuse additional features with the plethora of plugins available, enhancing your site's functionality. Then comes the moment truth, publishing your creation. But your work doesn't stop there. Regular maintenance is key for a durable website. Remember, a durable website isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it needs to be functional and updated regularly. Simplifies this process, making it more efficient. By opting for 10Web, you make the journey as rewarding as the destination. So, there you have it. The mystery of creating a durable website, solved. With 10Web, you're not just creating a website, you're crafting an experience. And that, my friends, is the magic of 10Web. All right, we've built a robust and durable website. But how about we turn it into a source of income? Welcome to the world of website monetization. And guess what? 10Web can help you with that too. Monetization is the process of converting your website traffic into revenue. The more engaging and optimized your website is, the more potential it has to generate income. And with 10Web, you have the tools at your disposal to make this happen. You can monetize your website in several ways with 10Web. One of the most popular methods is through advertising. 10Web allows you to easily integrate ad services like Google AdSense into your website, helping you earn revenue every time a visitor clicks on an ad. Another way to monetize is through affiliate marketing. With 10Web's easy-to-use platform, you can seamlessly add affiliate links to your content. Every time a visitor makes a purchase through these links, you earn a commission. Selling products or services directly from your website is another fantastic way to monetize. With 10Web, you can set up an efficient and user-friendly e-commerce store, complete with product catalogs, shopping carts, and secure payment gateways. And let's not forget about premium content. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer premium content like ebooks, online courses, or exclusive articles for a fee. 10Web's platform makes it easy to set up paywalls and subscription services. So there you have it. With 10Web, not only can you create a durable and engaging website, but you can also transform it into a money-making machine. Because at the end of the day, who doesn't like a little extra income?